remember in a previous episode of Gothic Homemaking that I wanted to create a purple glow in the Lair of Voltaire, and to that end I created a little something called the Purple Lighting Project. And it consisted in essence of putting purple rope lights on the wall, covering them with diffusers and lace of all things, and some artificial ivy. Now the reason for the diffusers and the lace is because rope lights look pretty cheesy when they're out and exposed, but when the light is indirect, it looks very eerie and really magnificent. Now, I stumbled upon a happy accident during that project because in the process of buying rope lights, I bought quite a few brands. And when I got to Philips, it said purple, but let me tell you, it wasn't really purple. In fact, it looked an awful lot like this. So there I was, looking at them, really dissatisfied with them, and I just chucked them behind the chaise lounge. And I thought to myself, what a lovely glow that creates. Recently I was performing in Austin, Texas, and the next day I stopped by an occult and oddities shop called The Glass Coffin. It's a place full of taxidermy and bones and candles and all manner of dark, beautiful things. I noticed that they had a throne identical to one of the ones I have here in the Lair, and it too had its own eerie glow. See how effective that is? Well, having stumbled upon this happy accident, I thought to myself, why not take some of these other purple rope lights that I've bought throughout the ages and repeat that eerie phenomenon throughout the Lair? Come with me. We're going to put these down and we're going to turn this throne around so that we can access the back of it. Next, we're going to need one of these cup hooks, and we're going to dig it right into the back of the wood of the throne. Once the cup hooks are attached to the throne, we just attach our rope lights to that, and we move the throne back into place. And now we can do some of the other furniture. Here's another easy technique. Just get yourself a black basket like this one, put your rope lights inside, and lay it down on the ground facing the wall, like this. And now there's nothing left to do but to wake Orville. He's not going to want to miss this. And that's it. We are all wired up and ready to go. All it takes now is a flick of a power strip and we will be lit, like the kids say. That is what the kids say, isn't it? How does it look? Is it eerie? I can't really tell sitting here. I hope it looks fantastic. Now, obviously we took the easy way out. We just threw some rope lights behind the furniture, but you could really take this to another level. Like souped up cars with the glow underneath, you could staple the lights to the bottom of a table or underneath some of the furniture, and it's really going to give your place an eerie, ominous glow. We hope you've enjoyed this project. We'll see you here next time on Gothic Homemaking. I gotta say, Orville, sitting in that throne you look absolutely radiant, just simply glowing.